Hey everyone, this is Kaya with Study Like a Boss here, and I promised I would do some study tips twice a week for back to school. And this video will consist of 10 tips which I personally find really helpful, and a few of them I thought up and I hope to try them this school year, and I hope it works. So the first tip is to summarize what you learn every single day. So let's say that I am studying Jane Austen, which I am for literature. I will say all of this, and then I will create a small 2-minute video of what I learned. And then I'll listen to it right before I go to bed, and it will be quick, probably when I'm getting ready for bed, brushing my teeth, whatever. And I hope that this is very helpful because I actually got this tip from watching a video while getting ready for bed. I thought to myself, hey, this would be really cool if I could summarize my notes and do this. So it was just on the spot, kind of an idea. And the next one is kind of notes. You want to make a summary of your notes for the chapter. So let's say that I am studying Pride and Prejudice. I will want to summarize each chapter. And then when class starts, I would take notes. And then once I'm done with class, I will rewrite my notes so that they are very neat, tidy, and efficient, because we've all been there. We all can't take notes very well when it's class, but... And then now I'm pretty sure you guys will start in September, early in September. That's when I start. So what I would try to do is try to wake up when you have to wake up at a lot of time, because it will be really hard if you sleep in until 10 and then you have to wake up at 6 the next day. So that is just awful. I've been there, guys. I know that pain. And then if you have all your textbooks, try to make flashcards now, because then it will probably make it easier. I like using, as I'm pretty sure I've shown you, the website Quizlet. I can make classes, groups. I can make folders and all of that, and it will make it really helpful. Oh, okay, there's an update. It will make it really helpful to really just get everything into organization. And as you probably just realized, they added diagrams to Quizlet, which I just now figured out, which is pretty cool. But going back to my notebook, it is good to do your assigned homework before class starts, so even get ahead a little bit. This isn't assigned. It's just an introduction to Jane Austen the first week, but I decided to get a little ahead so that I won't have to really worry about that when the time comes. And then you want to make sure you are not all about school in your last days of freedom, but not all about summer and the days counting down to school. So kind of have an even balance. I've been hanging out with friends these past few days, but I've also, once I'm done with that, I think to myself, okay, what do I need to do before class? Do I have any questions for the open house, etc.? I just have that in the back of my mind, but I don't let that bother me from fun. And then we all love Netflix. Let's admit it, guys. We do some flashcards then. You don't really have to think while doing flashcards. I like typing. I'm easier with typing. So put on something you are interested in, and that will just help you get the job done. That's what I've been doing with my history flashcards, my science flashcards, everything. And then if you have way too many vocabulary terms, as I said, try looking them up on Quizlet. because they are probably all over. I stopped doing my science flashcards because there's 51 chapters, and my teacher has put all the 51 chapters up. And read a little ahead if you want to kind of get to know it, because probably by October, November, you're going to be drawing at hairs because you have way too much to get done and you don't know how to do it. So try to read your books for literature or history or something like that ahead of time so that you kind of know what's going on. I did that last year. It was very helpful. This year I did not. I might do 1 or 2 books and I might speed read through them. Just glimpse at them so you get the whole plot of it, and it will actually help you really realize what you're missing, because the first read you are probably missing a lot. And then make a new year resolution, make new school resolutions. My resolutions consist of exercising more and just spending more time with my family than just to make a difference or something like that. And it's just really, really important if you know what you want to get done. Now, frankly, you might drop those New Year's resolutions or new school resolutions, but if you go in there with a headstrong mind, you'll probably get more than you accomplish. And I'm going to throw one more extra tip, number 11. And I am also going to really suggest checking out Go Conquer, because that has helped me with finals, and I am so excited to use that in the upcoming year. And what you do, I am not sure if I've told you guys this before, but what you do is you simply make diagrams and quizzes and maps and flashcards, and I can't show you right now because it's not loading for me, but it is really helpful if you know, hey, this was on the last quiz, maybe there's going to be a review on there or something like that. So I hope this has helped, and I hope you are more motivated to get stuff done now than later or before. So good luck, guys. We're all gonna need it.